Hey everybody, this is Dumbfire. I'm going to talk about how to build Forge Networking Remastered from source. It is 6/24/2018, so hopefully this is relatively new for you. There's some instructions on the GitHub page which are incomplete. So here some build gits from source. You can look through these, but I'm going to try and go through all the bits that I used. NF Minster helped me figure this out, so shout out to him. So let's just get started. So first, let's clone this repo. So you can use pretty much whatever you want to clone this. I'm going to use just a shell. Pull down some data. Okay, now I'm going to open this with Visual Studio. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this BeardedManStudios folder and open this BeardedManStudios.sln file. So open project. All right, the first thing you need to do, so over here on the Solution Explorer, it shows all the sub-projects. And the first thing is we need to remove this Forge Networking Remastered Unity project. So you right-click on it, hit remove. Say OK. Next, we're going to go and right-click on each of these sub-projects and click on Properties. We can also push Alt-Enter to open up their properties. We need to change this target framework to 4.0, .NET 4. We say yes. We're going to do the same thing for every single sub-project. This one already is 4. This one's 3.5. Let's change it to 4. Now let's move on to the next one. That one's 4. This one's 4. This one's 3.5. Change it to 4. Okay, let's move on to the next one. It's already 4. So I'm hitting Alt-Enter each time. You can obviously right-click and hit Properties. So I'll do that again here. Right-click, Alt-Enter, Properties, change this one to 4. Yes. I'm going to hit just File, Save All here. Okay, now I'm going to try and build everything. So I go up to Build, Build Solution. If I don't get any errors, I'm in good shape. 9 succeeded, 0 failed. That means no errors, so that's great. So if you try to do a build without making these changes, you'll get a bunch of errors. I've seen 300 errors. Some people see like 70. Anyway, so you need to go through those steps. Next, I need to open. So I want to build my package so that I can import it into my own project. So I need to open Unity. I think the version of Unity does matter, but any of the newer versions are probably fine. I'm running a slightly older version, but you don't need to use the version that I'm using. You can probably use the latest. All right, so I think this is the correct project here. So to be specific, I'll show you where this project is. Under this Forge, so this is the folder I downloaded from Git. The GitHub page, Forge Networking Remastered. So in here, there's this folder, Forge Networking Remastered Unity. So you're going to want to select that folder. And that's the project you're going to want to upgrade to. So this message is showing there's a mismatch in my Unity version and the version that was originally, Forge was originally built with. I don't think this matters, so I just hit continue. Unless you have a really old version of Unity, I don't think it matters. All right, we'll let Unity compile here. Okay, so once Unity launches, you'll notice I have some errors. So if I hit console, I see tons of errors. 268, yeah, so that's a problem. What you have to do is you have to hit File, Build Settings. Under your build settings, this thing pops up. Ignore this and click this Player Settings button. And then you need to set your .NET version here under Configuration to 4.6. And this says, do you want to restart Unity? You have to, so hit yes.
So at this point, you've loaded up Unity again, and you're getting a couple more errors after you changed to .NET 4.6. So to resolve these two errors, you need to do the following. If you navigate to your Git folder that you downloaded from Forge Networking on GitHub, look in here, and there's a folder called SteamworksDotNet. You go in here, find the SteamworksDotNet DLL. You need to copy this. Then go back, and then go to this Forge Networking Remastered Unity folder under Assets, Standard Assets, SteamworksDotNet. You'll notice the file is not here. We need to paste it in here. Let's paste it in. Okay. Back to Unity. I think we might need to restart Unity. So let's exit. Make sure our Steamworks is there. It is. Launch Unity. And there we go. We are loaded with no errors. So that was the final step. Now you can follow the steps on the GitHub README page. Right-click on BeardedManStudios, click Export Package, and then you can export this to your Unity package. Call it Build Source, call it Forge Networking. This is the same thing you get when you download direct from the pre-made package. Except for you built it. So if you need to make changes to the source, this is how you do it. All right, so that'll give me my package. Big thanks to NFMinster for helping out with these steps, because he's the one who figured it out. I'm just the messenger. So enjoy. Thanks. Bye.